Give me your butt. Give me your butt.
Your girlfriend's ugly. Sorry.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
Wait, Bruce, who's your best friend?
Oh my god.
You look just like your mama. Oh, mama.
You don't even love me. You just want my snacks.
Oh, shit. All right.
She's chewing on your tail, man. He said, what? I can't believe this.
Go to the dog park?
Stop barking at him. He is a veteran.
I think your breath smells of shit.
Bruce, you want to get a bath?
Give me paw. Oh, yeah. You're a good girl.
Paw. Thanks, Jasper.
Dodge, can you spot a dumbass bitch?
Who went to dirt and rolled around? I thought so.
Blink if you want some chicken. Okay.
I swear to God, if you step on my hair one time, I'm gonna yeet you down that hallway.
So I need you to tell these folks, what face you make when you see a girl walk in the house with a stained booty?
I'm trying to give you your documents. You have to leave.
Miles, what are you doing?
What did you bring in from outside, huh? Is it a stick? Yes, it is. Yes, it is a stick. Yes, it is. Yes.
You didn't even know your daddy. Yeah. And your mama was a...
I have to go to work. I'm really sorry. Please don't look at me like this.
Bobby. Shower.
Sky. Close.